Welcome to Balaji Education YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see the how to count the number of squares of the given figure in just a few seconds. So before going to solve the questions regarding this, let's roll the intro. So here I will show you the few methods. You can apply any one of the in the exam. The traditional way how we count, like this will be the square na. So let us count for the very small squares like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So only let it be the 1. So in the 1 we have only like 8 squares, and let us take the combination of the squares, like combination of 4 squares. Here you can see these 4 small squares will give you one big square like this. You can see likewise we have 1 square, again 2 square, again 3, like 1 2 and 3 we have by combination. So totally the smaller 8 and the combination we get again 3. The total squares are here 11. Now let us go by the advanced method, like we need to get the answer quickly na. So let us see the trick. The trick is, it is applied to only the squares, not the rectangles. You need to remember this like you need to count the number of boxes in the horizontal manner and in the vertical manner. So in the horizontal we have 4 boxes. You can see 1 2 3 4 you need to write. Again by the performing of multiplication, again you need to write the vertical boxes like 1 2 1 2. So now place, subtract 1 from this 3 and subtract 1 from this like 1, place subtract 1 from this and subtract 1 from this, like it is a 2 and it is a 0. So here the series will get ended. Now calculate the value to this, like 4 into 2 which is 8 and 3 into 1 which is like 3 will give you the 11. So see here the trick will going to work. By the regular method or by the trick you will get the same answer. Now in that case let us move to the second question. In the second question the figure is given this one. So we need to find the number of squares, like we need to count, we need to count. So what I am going to do now, like I am using the trick by dividing the figure to here. So up to here the figure look like this na. So up to here to this we will get the number of squares as 11. By the trick you can see, like 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1 we will get the 11 boxes, like 11 squares. Again from this, like 1 into 1 2 1 2, here you will get 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So again we will get the 0 na. So that there the series will be get ended. Now here the number of squares are like 4 plus 1 which is like 5. Again we have the hidden square. When you see this, like when you see this will be also square na. So you need to add to this, like 11 plus 5 plus 1 which is like 11 plus 5 which is like 16, 16 plus 1 which is like 17. So in this the total number of squares are 17. So now let us move to the third question of this video. Now in this we need to count the number of squares. Now let us find for the regular squares. Later on we are going to find for the diagonal cuttings. Now here for this, like it is like for this only it is like 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus like 1 into 0. Here the series will be get ended. Now here you will get the value as 6, here you will get the value as 2, like it is like 8. So total to this we have the 8 squares. Now let us move for the diagonal one. So in the diagonal one we have here 1 square. So see here we have 1 square and here we have another square. So for this we will get the number of squares as 2 into 2, like 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 which is like 5 to this one and 5 to this one. So this is for this we will get the 5, and for this we will get the 5. But see here, this is the common square is in between the both this one, so we need to subtract 1 from this, like add all this and subtract 1 from this. We will get the value as 9 to this, like 5 plus 5 10, 10 minus 1 which is 9. Now combo this one, like combo the regular squares and the diagonal squares, like 8 plus 9 which is like 17. So in this we will have the total number of squares as 17. So now let us move to the next topic in this video, like we need to count the number of rectangles of the given figure. In this we have first question like this, we need to count the number of rectangles. Only one method is there, I will show you, that is nothing but the traditional method or the viewing method. So you will get the more idea when you solve all these questions. So let us count the only one rectangle, like very small rectangle. So for the one we have like this, like 1 2 3 4 rectangles we have. So 1 2 3 4 rectangles we have. Now combo any two rectangles and write as, now combo any two small rectangles and write as a big rectangle. Like here the combo of these two, like these two will give you one rectangle, like 1 and 2 will give you one rectangle, and this rectangle and this rectangle will give you another rectangle, like one rectangle you have and another rectangle you have. Like by doing the combo of two small rectangles we will have another two rectangles. Now let us go for the combo of three rectangles. Here see here, like 1 2 3 combo of three small rectangles, you are getting another big rectangle, you can see here. So this will give you another one. Now let us go for the again 4. So by the 4 it is any possible? No. So here the counting will get stopped. So combo all this, like add all this, you will get the value as like 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. In this we will have total 7 number of rectangles. The second question will look like this. Now find the rectangles, we need to find the rectangles to this now. So let us find first for the regular shapes, later for the diagonal ones. So for the regular we are going to find for the regular, next for the diagonal. So in this let us apply the same viewing trick, like here it will be the one rectangle, 1 2 3 rectangles we have, 1 2 3, and combination of two rectangles we need to see, like this will be produce one rectangle and this will be produce one rectangle. Combination of these two small and combination of these two small will give you two rectangles. So again let us move for the 3. So any of 3? No, not possible. So here you will get the total number of rectangles as 5 rectangles. Now let us move for the diagonal one. So in the diagonal one let us check for the smaller one. 1 2 3 4 we have 4 rectangles. Let us move for the combination of two small diagonal rectangles, like here you will get the like 1, here this 2 makes one big rectangle, like this one, and here you will get the another one, and here you will get the another one, like 1 2 3 you are going to get. Now let us see for the 3 combination of 3 small rectangles, like combination of 3 small rectangles, here you will getting the another big rectangle, so it is like 1. Now let us move for the 4, like 4 will be not presented, so not possible one. So here the series will get stopped. Now add all this, like 4 plus 3 which is like 7, 7 plus 1 which is like 8. Now add these two things, add this the number of rectangles of regular one and the diagonal one, like 5 plus 8 which is like 13 number of rectangles in this figure. Now let us move to the third question. The third question will be look like this. So here apply the same thing, like I'm counting the smaller ones first, like 1 2 3, like 3 and 3 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 12 smaller ones we have. Let us see further the combination of 2. Like 1, 2. Like combination of this 2 will give 1. And combination of this 2 will give another one. Like 1, 1 and 2. Same thing you will get here now. Like 2, 2, 4. Like 2 and 2, 4. And let us again count for this one. Like the calculation number will be, you won't miss when you do like this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why I am counting this means, so here you will get the 1, another you will get the 2. So by the downside boxes, if you count those means you will get the same result. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The combination of 2 you will get the 5. Now let us move further the 3. Like combination of 3 small boxes. Like here you will get the 1 box, and here you will get the 2. And let us check for this. Like the combination of these 3 will give the one big rectangle. Like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. And let us count for the combination of 4. Here the combination of 4 will be won't possible. Now let us check for this one. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like up to this you will get the one big rectangle. Like 1, 2, 3. You will get the big rectangle. Now combination of 5. Now here you will see. Now here you can see the combination of this 5 will give you one rectangle, and combination of this 5 will give you another rectangle. So 2. Now let us find for this one. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will giving the one rectangle. So up to here you will giving the one rectangle, 1 and 2. So addition you will getting another 2. Now let us see further the combination of 6. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The combination of all these rectangles will giving you one big rectangle now. So this will be the 1. Now let us check for the 7. So 7 is not possible. Now the series is going to end. Now add all this, then you will get the value as total. For this we have 24, and for this we got the value as 11. So if we combo all this, then we will get the value as 35. So total we have 35 number of rectangles in this question. So this is how we can find the answers to the question. Like viewing method, we need to view in this way by taking the smaller one and later the combos, so on. So if we do so, we will get the answer easily without missing the count. So if you learnt anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are preparing for the competitive exams, please share my videos. Thank you for the watching.